This video will demonstrate how to add multiple users to a Google Chrome web browser. One feature of Google Chrome is that users are able to sign in to the Chrome browser to save their apps, extensions, web history, bookmarks, and signed in web pages. That's great for teachers so that we have quick access to all of the things that we need on the internet whenever we need them. However, sometimes you'll have a student use your computer and you do not want the student to have access to all of your web history, bookmarks, apps, extensions, etc. So we need a separate way for our students to utilize our Google Chrome web browser that does not allow them access to our stuff. Google has created a handy feature called multiple users in the Chrome web browser to address this issue. If you look at the top left corner of my screen, you'll see an avatar. This avatar represents one of the users that is currently signed into this Chrome web browser. If I click on the avatar, you'll see that I have 4 separate users on this machine, 5 separate users, a work account, a personal account, an account for my wife, and then 2 empty users that students could use to log into Google Chrome. You'll notice right now that I have all of my personal bookmarks and extensions in my web browser. However, if I click this avatar and switch to the user called empty user, you'll notice that there are no extensions on the right, there are no bookmarks saved, and that is because no one is logged in to this user account. So I could have a student come here and go to google.com and sign into their account and do whatever they needed to do without having access to any of my information. In order to set up multiple users in the Google Chrome web browser, first we'll click the 3 lines, the options, otherwise known as the hamburger as I refer to it in workshops. We'll click the hamburger and then click Settings. As you scroll through Settings, you'll see the section called People. Right now, you'll see that I have 5 users set up. Yours will probably say People and then Add First User. In order to add a user, all you have to do is click this Add Person or Add User. Give it a name, and select an avatar. You can decide whether or not to create a desktop shortcut for the user by checking or unchecking this box, and be able to control and view the websites that user visits. Once you're finished, you can click Add, and a new Chrome browsing window will open up as that user. It is important to note that anytime you select a new user, a new browsing window will open up. This has been JP Presavento, the Fox C6 EdTech Coordinator, demonstrating how to set up multiple users in the Google Chrome web browser.